Hi, my name is Arnav, and I go to Cupertino High School. I'm currently an incoming junior, and the project that I chose to do was a gesture-controlled car. So for my milestone today, my final milestone was basically assembling the robot with the structure and hot gluing everything on. So it's basically just assembling the robot and the glove component over here, as you can see. So the basics of this milestone was basically just assembling all my previous milestones together and just getting the final project working. So a quick demonstration of how this milestone works. Here, as you can see on my floor, I'll place the robot down over here. And if I put on this glove, I can actually, with only the swing of my hand, I can control where the car moves. So look, I'm tilting, I'm making it go forward, I'm making it go right, and everything like that with just a simple gesture of my hand. There you go. So how this project actually works is the accelerometer on this glove component right here, as you can see, it sends serials, it sends the X, Y, and Z axis of how much you tilt this glove. So if you tilt it to the right, left, or forward, it sends that information over to this Arduino over here. And this Arduino calculates that information and processes it into which way the car should move. It then passes the information over to the Bluetooth module over on this side. This Bluetooth module uses serial communication to communicate with this other Bluetooth module, which is located on the car, as you can see right over there. This Bluetooth module then relays the information of where this car should move over to the Arduino. This Arduino relays it to the DC motor controller over here. And this DC motor controller then tells the wheels how much it should turn and how fast it should go. So that's the basics of how this entire project comes together and works. What some of the issues that I ran into actually assembling everything and getting the final product working was one of the main issues was bad connectivity with these motors to the DC motor controller. So previously in previous examples, I just hooked the jumper wires around the copper tabs of the DC motors, but because this caused it to have an inconsistent connectivity, I needed to learn soldering and implement soldering in all these jumper cables over here. I also had struggles with problems with the final code, with being able to actually read the accelerometers left, right, and process that into which way the car should move. I finally got it working with the help of my peers, and that's how I overcame them. I also used a lot of online tutorials and got help from fellow students who are doing the same project. So my next steps would be to, if I want to add any modifications, my next steps to achieve these modifications would be maybe to add infrared sensor on the back of this glove right over here. So if I ever close my fist down, it immediately stops the car. Just in case it's an emergency, like the car is about to hit into a wall or something, you could immediately close your hand down and that would just stop all functions of the car. So that would probably be my next steps. And yeah, thank you.